Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial. Today, now we will discuss uh, variables. Okay, uh, variables are something which variable is derived from vary. Okay, so variable is something which changes values. Okay, so what are variables? Variables are like container containing data and which changes values according to the requirement in the program. Okay, now let's understand. Variables are just like container. Okay, here you can see variable 1, variable 2 and variable 3. Variable 1 contain a value Bob. Variable 2 contain a value true. True is a boolean value in Python. We call true and false as a boolean value. Okay, variable 3 is containing integer value. Okay, this Bob is also in Python. These types of values in Python is called as um, strings. So you can see that variables can contain different data types. Data types mean here we have discussed three data types right now. Uh, One is a string, which is Bob. Other is Boolean, which is true. Okay, and the other is this int, which is 35. Okay, now let's why variables. Okay, variables are needed to store some useful data which may be required in the program in future until program terminates. Okay, here you can see we need A, we need B to store the value of our 23 and 45 so that we can perform operations or then additional operations in future. So what we did, C equals to A plus B plus C and final printing C, and the answer will come as what it will be 68. Okay, and this line in future until the program terminates means that when this program overs, okay, the memory consumed by these variables in the RAM also get cleared. Okay, computer ALU computer take care of this. So this is all about why we need a variable. Okay, now let's see variable difference in how variables are created in other languages and in languages like Python. So this is the Java code. Okay, this is the Java code and this is the Python code. Okay, in Python you don't have to define before creating a variable whether it is going to be int throughout the program or it is going to be a string or a boolean. Okay, so here in Java we have to define whether it is going to be end as we have defined A equals to end. In this you can change even the data type of A as we move forward in a program as requirements. If I want to make A equals to string type or boolean type, I can make it. But in other programming languages like Java, I cannot make this. If I have made this once as in, I have to keep this as in. This is what the difference between the creation of variables in Python and in other languages. So you can see how simple it is the creating variables in Python. So these are the variables. Okay, now let's see, as I told that variables are something which changes values. Okay, now let's see the example. Okay, here this is the Python code. Here you can see A is assigned equals to 23 and now A is equals to assigned 45. Here you can see A changed its values. Okay, so this what variable can do, it can change its value. Okay, so this is all about variables. Enjoy learning Python and I will see you in next tutorial. Okay, until then, thank you.